Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sharaglas. Shornkahod yawa seveda. Hello, welcome to Afghan Cooks. I'm Miriam, the Afghan who cooks. We have this amazing snack in Afghanistan and it's called Shornkahod. It is made with potatoes and chickpeas in a very delicious vinegary sauce. I have made that, so you can find that on my website. But today I thought, okay, if I'm having a picnic or I just want some finger foods, if I don't want a lot of spoons and bowls, because you have to eat Shornkahod in a bowl, what would I do? I would turn it into a dip. So that's what I've done. It takes 5 minutes. I'm not even kidding. It is the easiest dip. And my 14-year-old said, Mom, it hits. It's sort of like hummus, but it's absolutely not like hummus at all because the only thing it has in common with hummus is that it has chickpeas. So this Shornkahod is chickpeas and boiled potatoes. You can boil just one small potato. I actually made this yesterday to test it, but we're gonna do it today for the video. And I actually used canned potatoes. If you have canned potatoes, or if you wanna go out and buy some canned boiled potatoes, it's super convenient, right? Because you don't need that much. You only need like 1.5. So in my food processor, I'm going to add 1 can of chickpeas, 1/4 of an onion that I peeled here. We're gonna just throw that in there. We're gonna take the potato. Okay, 1.5 potatoes. If you don't have already made chutney, you can make it. We're lucky we can buy it in the store. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of this chutney. And because that has vinegar in it, we're only gonna start with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you have white wine vinegar, this dip, if you have the chutney ready, comes together in 5 minutes. Chickpea only takes another 10 minutes to make, so the whole thing will take 15 minutes. We're gonna start with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, big heaping 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, some zhuzhes of black pepper, and then here I have some dried mint. Now you are going to have to open it and scrape it down a couple times, okay? Now I'm gonna taste it for salt and vinegar. If it's not to my liking, then I'm going to add more, okay? But we're gonna taste it. Needs another tablespoon of vinegar. It's actually less than a tablespoon. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So that's a total of 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now here I have my olive oil, and we're gonna start to drizzle this in, okay? It's about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. We're gonna add the salad to the middle, salata. Your Afghan chickpea dip is ready to go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up while you're here. It would be super awesome, so great. If you would subscribe, dera manana. Hit the bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. And leave me a comment because the algorithm loves it. Until next time.